Only 1 month left for the CLAT. And this is the moment that separates those who wish from those who wins. In these 30 days, distraction is your biggest enemy, not the syllabus. Because every reel, every message you get, or every I'll study later thought will cost you marks. Because CLAT isn't just about who knows more, it's about who can focus longer. Forget long study hours, build three undistracted golden hours daily. First, in the morning, do logic and legal, and in the afternoon, do RC and mock, because CLAT is conducted from 2 to 4, so you have to appear or you have to practice giving mocks as like giving your real examination from 2 to 4 itself. So for afternoon, devoted for RC practice, reading comprehension, and for mock, and in the evening or in the night, do GK and revision. These 3 hours are sacred. Keep your phone away, keep the timer on, and don't be distracted. 3 golden hours of your 30 days, 90 hours of your focused prep, and that's enough to flip your rank. The second one is 5 minute rule. If your brain says like I'll do it later, I study later, just tell your brain that only 5 minutes. But if you sit down and start studying only for 5 minutes, then it will be continued at least till 30 minutes. In those 5 minutes, the momentum kicks in. This is how you trick your brain into flow. Because like toppers don't study longer, they start faster. Study face. This one is weird but powerful. Study facing a mirror. Keep your reflection inside. It instantly creates a self accountability. When your mind drifts, you'll actually see yourself getting distracted and then your mind resets. I'll call it focus with eye contact. Just try it once. You'll feel guilty even touching your phone. The fourth one is the 25-5 focus sprint method, the Pomodoro method. Study for 25 minutes, 5-minute rest, but make your every sprint mission based. Finish one RC passage or a GK topic when actually when your brain knows the target, a distraction doesn't stand a chance. The fifth one is the cold start strategy. Avoid your morning distractions. The morning distractions ruin your day. No phone scrolling, no reel scrolling, no breakfast scrolling. Cold start anchors your brain in focus mode for the entire day. The sixth one is the night distraction detox. Sit for 10 minutes or 20 minutes at least silently, quietly, no scrolling and no using your phones, no using of your phones, and ask, did I win or lose to distraction today? This is how you create consistency every day. This is how you get confidence for the next day. The seventh one is visualize the exam hall every morning. It's just something weird, but visualization rewires your brain just like you are actually living it. It means when you will actually enter the exam hall, you will feel it's my comfort zone. See it before you sit for it. And the last one is one line focus filter. When you are doing something that is literally a distraction when you're doing something which is just literally a distraction, just ask yourself, will this get me a 1 mark more in the CLAT? If the answer is no, just skip it. This one question kills your 90% of the distraction. Like, you literally have 30 days. That's 720 hours. You can do it. Believe in yourself and try to kill distraction from the today itself, from the this day itself. If you're switching on, no distraction from today. Comment down. No distraction till CLAT. I want my comment section to be flooded with this one line. Very good wishes from my side for your CLAT day.